Sabi yan sa lagot. Ito yung lagot ko.
So yan guys, we are going to watch the Empty Machine. So new vocalist of Linkin Park, Emily. Magre-react tayo dito guys. So ang nagustuhan ko sa Empty Machine is yung intro at saka yung pagkagawa ng music videos niya, yung background. So sobrang ganda. And also parang normal na sa atin yung pagkanta ng foreigner. Sobrang galing kumanta ng mga foreigner. So let's go guys.
Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. I know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always do. Already pulling me in, already under my skin, and I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Don't know what I'm hoping for, what I won't receive.
So okay guys, fictional talaga yung official music videos niya.
Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine, the emptiness machine. Throwing around like a revolver. It's been decided how we lose, 'cause there's a fire under the altar. I keep on lying to, I keep on lying to. Already pulling me in, already under my skin. I know exactly how this ends. I let you cut me open just to watch me bleed. Gave up the whatever you wanted me to be. Don't know what I'm hoping, what I won't say. Falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of, part of. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of, part of. I only wanted to be part of something. I only wanted to be part of. Just to watch me play. Gave up the whatever you wanted me to be. Don't know what I'm hoping, so fucking I falling for the promise of the emptiness machine. The emptiness machine.
So ayun guys, grabe si Emily yung sa bar at saka si Mike. First intro lang, makikita mo talaga na si Mike is sobrang superb na rapper. So si Emily is also maganda yung pagka-deliver niya ng mga kanta. Parang mahirap habulin or mahirap i-grab yung ganong level ng voice. So kahit ako mismo siguro sasabihin ko na I grab the voice but I cannot touch it. So sobrang high level po. I did so many times habulin yung boses niya. So sobrang taas talaga ng boses niya. Hindi ko mapunta yung stage na yon, yung ganong level ng voice. Parang pag tinodo ko talaga yung boses ko, parang ramdam ko talaga yung masasabog yung lalamunan ko sa paghabol ng boses niya. So He's a great vocalist, uh, new vocalist of Linkin Park. So, yan guys. So, yun ang thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more reaction videos. Will be update soon. Salamat.